In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate customized glyphs from the Sergio trendy font into your Canva projects. Whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or digital artwork, adding unique glyphs can elevate your design to the next level, making it stand out with a touch of creativity and personalization. First, you'll want to access your Canva project. If you've already got a project in mind, go ahead and open it up. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new design. Canva offers a variety of template sizes and styles, so make sure you choose one that fits your needs or the platform you're designing for. Familiarize yourself with the Canva interface to make your design journey smoother. Next, you'll need to do a quick search in your preferred web browser. Type in Sergio Trendy Font and look for the website defont.com. Click on the link that takes you to the Sergio Trendy Font page on defont.com. This site is a wonderful resource for finding a wide range of fonts, including those with special glyphs or characters that you can use to enhance your designs. Once you're on the web page, scroll down a bit until you see the option to View All Glyphs. Click this option to dive into the collection of available glyphs. Glyphs are essentially decorative characters or symbols that extend the visual vocabulary of a font. They can range from stylish letters to intricate symbols and flourishes. They allow designers to add a special flair and variety to standard typographic characters. As you browse through the glyphs, carefully choose the ones that best align with your design vision. Keep in mind the theme, mood, or message of your project while you're selecting. When you've found a glyph that catches your eye, right-click on it and select Copy from the context menu. This action will save the glyph to your clipboard, making it ready for use in your Canva project. Now head back to your Canva project, where you can strategically place the glyphs to enhance your design. Right-click in the text box where you'd like the glyph to appear and select Paste. If you haven't added a text box to your design yet, you can do so by using Canva's text tools, usually found in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You might need to adjust the size, color, or position of the glyph so that it integrates seamlessly with the other elements of your design. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a unique touch to your Canva project using glyphs from the Sergio Trendy Font. Experiment with different glyphs to discover fresh ways to express your creativity and make your design visually compelling. Happy designing, and I hope these tips help take your Canva skills to an exciting new level.